Hi, and welcome to this Spiffy tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform an Infusionsoft order form into an update billing page. Up until now, the only way to really do this is to create a free product in Infusionsoft and to basically send people to an order form where they technically purchase a free product or a product with a $0 price point. That would update their credit card information in the system, and then you could apply a charge to that card, whether it was a failed charge or purchasing a new product, using the functionality in the contact record and leveraging an action set. Technically, you're still setting it up the same way, but what we're going to do is use Spiffy and one of the custom Spiffy code snippets to create an update billing page where it doesn't look like a checkout page for a free product. But the setup is very similar. Hang with me and I'll show you how to do it all. So go to e-commerce setup, click on products, and we're going to create a new product. I'm just going to call this test update billing for right now. Hit save. It's a $0 product. I'm just going to keep everything the same. Hit save. Now we have a $0 product. Now I'm going to go back to e-commerce setup. I'm going to hit order forms. I'm going to create a new order form. We're going to call this update billing page. We're going to add that free product to this order form. Add product. It's a $0 product. We're going to hit save. Still saving. Here we go. I'm going to go and just take a look at this order form just to make sure that everything's pulling through. Awesome. So we got that test update billing product, $0. And basically this is what you would send a customer to fill out. And it's just, I don't know, it just kind of creates a little bit of confusion sending them to this order form. They're entering this credit card. There's this weird test purchase, but this is supposed to update their billing information in your system to purchase something else. So it just kind of creates a lot of confusion, and it's just an unnecessary step. So the next step is to log into your Spiffy account, create a Spiffy order form, and we are going to take this code, copy, I'm going to hit save and exit just to make sure the form is created, come in here into the custom HTML areas, paste, hit save. We're going to go back to the order form and hit refresh. Now the order form is going to load with Spiffy. Now that Spiffy's on the form, we can leverage the Spiffy snippets. So we actually have a copy paste snippet that will allow you to change an order form into an update billing information page, which we want. So we're going to click on here. It's going to jump us down to the page to copy this code. I'm going to hit copy this. Let's do right click, copy. We're going to go back into Infusionsoft. So this is that order form that has the $0 product. Going back to the just custom HTML section. Down on the footer, I'm going to paste this down there. Hit save. So again, I copied that from the Spiffy snippets page, pasted it into Infusionsoft in the custom HTML footer section. And I'm going to come back here and hit refresh. And as you can see, now it's an update billing information page. Basically what we'll want to do is we'll want to make sure we add content up here. I'll let them know that's an update billing information page. Maybe some text saying make sure to use the same email address that's in our system to update your billing information. And we can leverage Spiffy's single column order form layout to clean up this page a little bit, as well as another code snippet. So let's just clean up this page a little bit. It looks a little funky having the two columns and whatnot. So we'll go back over to Spiffy, go to the dashboard, back to that order form, and we're going to go to the settings and change it to a single column layout. Let's use the drag and drop editor to drag and drop some different things out here, and let's drag a headline out. We're going to center this text, center it, center this, and we want to make a little bit more space in between here. So we're going to come over to these settings and maybe just do 25 above, 0 below, and I think that will be pretty good. Obviously you can change your phone number to be whatever you want it to be, your email support. You can put whatever you want up there. And the reason why I'm not putting anything in the sidebar is because we're actually going to hide this sidebar and then center this form. So it's just a single column form straight down the middle of the page. So I'll show you how to do that. We'll hit save here. Great thing about Spiffy is that you don't need to copy and paste anything else. So if we just go back to this order form, we hit refresh, and we'll see all the changes live. Great, so we have that new text, new header, banner up there, and the order form is in a single column. Now I'm going to use another copy paste Spiffy snippet to center this form. So we're going to go back over to our Spiffy account and hit the snippets tab, and we're going to find the center order form, which I believe is right here. Okay, single column layout, remove sidebar, center single column layout and browser. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste this back into Infusionsoft. We're going to paste this in the footer right below the other code snippet that we pasted in there. Paste, save, come back over to Infusionsoft, hit refresh, and now it's centered. So that's how you create an update billing page in Infusionsoft. One thing that we could do is also hide the email address. If you're sending this link to someone via Infusionsoft, it will autofill all of this information that they have in there as far as their first name, last name, street address, their existing address will be in there, autofill if they click on a link coming from Infusionsoft, which means that it will pull in the email address as well. So you could actually hide this field to make sure that they can't change it and accidentally create another contact record. So that's how you create and update your billing information page in Infusionsoft. And it's really important that you only use this code snippet to create and update your billing information page. Obviously, if you add a product to this order form and use a snippet, it basically just hides the product information section. So if you add a product here that's $100 or $200 or $2,000 and somebody fills out this information, hits checkout, it will charge them that amount. So again, it's still leveraging the old way of doing it through Infusionsoft. We just clean up the order form to make it look like and update your billing information page, streamline it. So again, just make sure that if you're using this snippet, you're adding a product to this page that is $0, and so you don't accidentally charge someone money. But as long as you're doing that, you shouldn't have any problems, and this should work flawlessly. So if you don't have a Spiffy account yet, go to gospiffy.com, go over to our pricing page, create an account today, and we hope to see you as a Spiffy customer soon. Take care.